How to file Coinbase taxes on TurboTax CD. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to file Coinbase taxes on TurboTax, then the first thing you want to do is sign into your TurboTax account. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on the income and expenses option, then click on pick up where you left off. Once you get here, among these categories, you want to select investments and savings. Go ahead and click on add/edit option. Now, on the Let's Import Your Tax Info page, you want to find your financial institution, which is Coinbase. Click on this. Now click on Get My Form. You will have to sign into your account, so go ahead and enter your Coinbase credentials over here. Then click on the Continue option. Once you have been signed in, follow the on-screen prompts and all the details will be imported from Coinbase to TurboTax. You can also enter the details manually. For that, click on the option of Enter a Different Way. Then you will have to select the type of investment. After that, click on Type it in myself. Now enter all the information from Coinbase, and in this way you can file Coinbase taxes. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.